In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis. But more precisely, we will see personne. So the main question is, what are les pronoms et déterminants indéfinis? We use the indefinite pronouns and determiners when we don't want to be too precise. And this is the key thing. These déterminants, pronoms indéfinis, are used when we don't want to be too precise. And we would rather give a more general word to speak about a person, a place, or a thing. So it will be possible to use them for a person, a place, or a thing. So this lesson is about personne. And personne can be translated with no one, anyone, or anybody. So it's a singular pronoun, always used with ne. And it is the negation of quelqu'un, on, and tout le monde. So we'll see two examples. Je ne veux voir personne. Je ne veux voir personne. So as we saw, we start with ne, we put the verb, and then we finish with personne. It's also possible to use it as a subject, personne, so you start with it. Then you don't forget the ne. Of course, you drop the e because you've got a vowel after. So, personne n'est encore arrivé. Personne n'est encore arrivé. Let's have two more. Elle n'a vu personne quand elle est allée au bureau. Elle n'a vu personne quand elle est allée au bureau. Same situation here. We start with ne, drops because you've got the vowel after. And then you put personne here. And one more with personne as a subject. Personne ne veut aller avec moi à l'opéra. C'est vraiment dommage. Personne ne veut aller avec moi à l'opéra. C'est vraiment dommage. Same thing here. Remember, we start with personne as a subject. We need to put ne right after, and we continue the structure.